Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Speed Reading Mastery Double Reading Speed Skillshare Class. Lecture 7. Introduction. Expanding Vocabulary and Word Recognition Techniques. Developing Word Recognition and Contextual Understanding. Using speed reading to enhance language learning. Building a personal reading lexicon for effective reading strategies for encountering unfamiliar words while reading quickly. Conclusion. Expanding vocabulary and word recognition techniques. A vast vocabulary and strong word recognition skills are essential. For effective language learning, these skills not only aid in understanding new words, but also help in comprehending the context in which they are used by expanding your vocabulary and improving your word recognition techniques. You can become a more confident and proficient communicator. Through intentional practice and exposure to new words, you can gradually build your vocabulary and improve your ability to recognize words quickly and accurately. This will not only benefit you in academic and professional settings, but also in everyday conversations and interactions. Developing word recognition and contextual understanding. Word recognition and contextual understanding are two important techniques that can greatly enhance your vocabulary. Word recognition involves being able to identify words quickly and accurately, while contextual understanding involves understanding the meaning of a word based on its context in a sentence or passage. By developing these techniques, you can improve your ability to read and comprehend complex texts, as well as expand your vocabulary. For example, if you come across an unfamiliar word while reading, using contextual understanding can help you figure out its meaning without having to look it up in a dictionary. Similarly, by improving your word recognition skills, you can read more quickly and efficiently, which can save you time and improve your overall reading experience. Using speed reading to enhance language learning. Speed reading is a technique that can help language learners read faster and comprehend more effectively. By training your brain to process information more quickly, you can increase your reading speed without sacrificing comprehension. To improve your speed reading skills, try using techniques like skimming and scanning, which involve quickly scanning through text to identify keywords and phrases. You can also practice using peripheral vision to take in more information at once. With time and practice, these techniques can help you become a more efficient reader and enhance your language learning abilities. Building a personal reading lexicon for effective reading. A personal reading lexicon is an essential tool for anyone looking to improve their reading comprehension. It is essentially a collection of words that you have encountered while reading, along with their definitions and contextual usage. By creating your own personal reading lexicon, you can quickly look up unfamiliar words as you encounter them, which will help you to better understand what you are reading. To build your personal reading lexicon, start by keeping a notebook or document that you can easily access while reading. As you come across new words, write them down along with their definitions and any relevant context. You can also use online tools such as dictionary.com or thesaurus.com to help you find definitions and synonyms for unfamiliar words. Over time, your personal reading lexicon will become a valuable resource that you can refer to whenever you need to clarify the meaning of a word. Strategies for encountering unfamiliar words while reading quickly. One effective strategy for encountering unfamiliar words while reading quickly is to use context clues. Context clues are hints within the text that provide information about the meaning of a word. These clues can include definitions, synonyms, antonyms, or even visual cues. By paying attention to these clues, readers can often determine the meaning of an unfamiliar word without having to stop and look it up in a dictionary. Another helpful strategy is to break down complex words into their component parts. Many words are made up of prefixes, suffixes, and root words that can provide clues to their meaning. By identifying these parts, readers can often decipher the meaning of unfamiliar words more easily. For example, the word unbelievable can be broken down into un, meaning not believe, and able meaning capable of. This can help readers understand that the word means not capable of being believed. Conclusion. In conclusion, expanding vocabulary and word recognition techniques are crucial in enhancing language learning. By developing word recognition and contextual understanding using speed reading, building a personal reading lexicon, and utilizing strategies for encountering unfamiliar words while reading quickly, individuals can significantly improve their language skills. It is important to continuously practice and implement these techniques in daily life to see progress. By doing so, individuals can expand their knowledge and understanding of the language they are learning, which can open up new opportunities and experiences.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.